have common cause. In this temporal
My
crisis.
scout's trek shall come.
Momentum be restored. I am Kronika, keeper of time. In the new era.
They shall. They shall.
Keeper of time. In the course of history.
Turning on KAHN was poor sport.
He hired you to punish me.
Hired? I'm doing this one for fun.
Do you want to see? You asked me if I want to see the wheel. I said no.
You sold out KOTAL to Melina,
My loyalty's always for sale.
which is why no one will miss you.
Real good match.
Keep the Black Dragon out of Outworld.
Gotta go where business takes me, love.
There's none for you, Kanan.
What's up? 3 strikes and you're dead, Kano.
I only need 2 strikes to gut you.
Know what? That was strike 3.
I know studio execs tougher than you.
No suit's gonna slit your throat.
Have you been to Hollywood? What's it gonna take for you to respect me?
Partial. Maybe full vasectomy.
I love it when you talk dirty.
For sure, I really love this play style.
I'll have your ancient power.
Not what I call it, but, okay.
No one will miss your cage.
So I'm guessing you want to chew me up.
And spit out your bones, Cage.
Watch out! She's a man-eater.
That was the least confident.
My green magic, your green outfit.
By the gods, no.
You're lost, sweetheart.
We always seem to end up here, Jade.
I let you win in the past.
Don't hold back. I can take it. Whose team are you on now?
I do what I must to protect Katana.
That includes attacking Jax.
A little bit of zoning and his long range going on, but Jade plays that game. The question is,
Hey, intros, man.
can she?
In the future, you're dead. I'm a revenant.
I prefer my fate to yours.
I must agree, POKA. Rule of Outworld was to be shared.
Kitana Khan would have us surrender it.
She seeks only compromise.
You seem confident.
Our hordes will overwhelm you.
Now you seem overconfident.
You must have a strong heart.
Have to run this fast.
How does it taste?
You look familiar.
Our paths crossed years ago, KABAL.
I'd never forget a fight.
The cold will slow you down.
Whatever, I'll run faster.
Running on ice is ill-advised. Turn back, KABAL.
I only know how to go forward.
Then you require a lesson.
You don't care for me.
Life-sucking harpies aren't my thing.
I appreciate your blood's fire.
I'm keeping an eye on their clan.
Trust, but verify.
Just like the Gipper said.
I'll pick your bones clean. Savagery is no match for skill. The savage eat the skilled. I'll pick your bones clean. Savagery is no match for skill. The Cotton Warriors are legendary. Then why don't you flee, Earthrealmer? The Shaddai Ryu embrace danger.
Our second fight here is Sonya versus Scarlet, who was a returning character from Mortal Kombat 9.
Looking for me, Scarlet?
A few pints of blood is all I ask.
Trust me, I'm not your type.
Come thunder, come lightning. Do you fear nothing, Geras? Nothing within your power, Raiden.
Match that you barely scraped by. This is pretty intense.
Alright, 1-1.
Earlier. I gotta think about everything I do, and not just throw things out. I didn't use like my game plan.
Yes. I think.
Oh!
all over Scorpion now. Wow. Look, he just painted his hallway. Oh! He falls down again. Sometimes it's more satisfying to just watch him, stare at him.
Your winner and go.